Why are you looking so fine, though?
Hi, vlog. We're walking to get coffee.
Yeah, I think the woman is out. This is see how gloomy it is. Because it rained all morning.
Yeah.
And now we want to go get Akara. I hope the woman she's there because I'm seeing a crowd there. Let's go. We're walking. Should have taken a car, but you know.
I love the wind in my hair.
I just actually wind the showing and everything.
And I love the weather. We have adipose tissue, so we're not feeling cold. Just a very beautiful.
Please, I don't have that.
I don't know if you can hear us anymore, but we'll see you when we get to the coffee spot. But what walking is good.
I'm not recording the Kose woman. See how she was being all dramatic that day. You wanted to record the Kose.
I'll record this for you.
No, I'm not. I will record it in the Kose when we get home. I wonder what you'll have for breakfast.
Yeah, what do you have for breakfast?
I was feeling swallow about this morning.
He was going to go and warm the soup.
This one discouraged me.
How can you swallow eba in the morning?
Please, it's not food. Our ancestors swallowed eba in the morning.
Block your throat and ground your stomach.
See how tall I am? It's because my ancestors ate well. So it passed through the genetic fiber.
Food for breakfast.
Bullshit. That's the English way. That is the English way. An African way.
It's how it's done.
You eat eba whenever you want.
It's how it's done.
You eat eba before going to the farm, so you have energy.
Are you going to the farm?
Yes.
You finish eating it and stay on the chair.
Chai. That sounds like it this. It doesn't matter. I'm doing my ancestors proud. I'm going to still swallow that eba before 12 today.
I know that. In my room.
In my own house. I'll see you guys when we get home. Let me not be the weirdo holding a camera and walking on the road because I was staring. It's a big nash. Because I don't know if any you that walk. Can you stop? My goodness. We should go running one day. Yeah, man. Just.
Let me know.
I'm not doing that. Look at your dress with your slippers. Why? Can you rest? Zukwani Kebiko. Come off for road though. Before I have to force your parents to send back half my bride price I spent. Please, let's begin. Say breathing. Because you decided to spontaneously start jogging.
Spice of life.
Not spice of life.
You hold the camera very well.
Why? I'm showing people my white beards. I'm getting old. Jesus Christ. Baby.
Daddy, I want a flower.
Leave people's vegetation alone.
No.
I'm not holding it for you. Kai.
I'm sprinkling good water.
I'll break your head. Why is it good water?
Holding water, rain water.
Oshumba, you man. The fuck is that? No, Oshumba me anything.
Politically, they don't want to come to a level ground.
How can I?
No, when someone like sit and say, okay, for me to be the kind of boss, this is too much stuff. So look, I just give them one.
Babe. Oh, babe.
So you can.
And then if I want to charge it, I will just connect it to this one,
See, thank you. The charger, I put it there, then put it on your wall socket.
Okay.
And that's it.
Alright, cool. Thank you.
And this is the menu manual this thing.
Content creation go mad. The content creation was mad now.
I swear.
Hopefully the network is better, huh?
Yes, hopefully. My baby came and got us MTN broadband for the uploads.
They say the 5G one is finished. Let's see what
it's finished. But this looks nice. It's already on even. Hey, These flies can't get enough of me because of how good I smell. How do I look?
You look good.
Are you showing my full outfit?
Yes.
Love you.
This wire is just spoiling this view. I saw this wire there on the ground now. So I've been looking so nice. Senior sons, y'all. This supermarket is old.
Eh? It's old?
Old. This
Is it old?
supermarket, bro.
Really?
Yes, no. Senior sons has been around for years.
I didn't know.
Oh, I think almost as old as me. So.
As what?
Me?
You?
Yeah.
I thought they just came like some 5 years ago.
No. They've been around.
Crazy. I definitely need one. So,
Baby. I'm not saying that because of you and Nivea. Sorry.
huh?
I say you're not saying that because of me and Nivea side except for this card now.
I swear, buy your Nivea cream.
Nivea, what's up now? Like,
It's going to make your skin so
me self,
beautiful.
I have skin.
And I love it so much. It's so
I
good.
actually need deodorant.
Perfect for the weather.
Let me get this one. No, this is slaps.
I want. Is that Pearl and Beauty here?
The white one, see?
No, I'll take this one.
Yeah, this one smells really nice, huh? See.
They have nice perfume.
Where's that oud? Do you remember that oud?
Yeah. They have it.
I don't know.
Do you remember the pack if you see it?
Well, like, maybe if I see it, it will hit me, but...
It was vanilla and something.
Yes.
It was so good. I want your hooders to.
They are gone. They are no longer in Kaduna.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm so cute.
Oh, get rice. I've not seen bags of rice. I know.
We need bags of rice. I already found the rice.
Sorry.
Is this
Boil.
is it local rice? Who's going to
I
carry this?
don't. There's still some there. So what size are you buying? That big normal size? That one or this one?
That one, the biggest one.
Okay.
Well, let's go. Somebody must have helped us carry. Well done.
Hold on, man. We're looking so fine.
Thank you. I can't help.
You're looking nice in that light.
I am? Okay.
This is smoker.
The one and the only.
You should own a store.
Look at Don Jazzy soap. Drip gold brightening soap.
Don't jazz it.
He has a soap.
Really?
This is brand.
It's so nice. Cheese rolls. I need
Buy your
something to
drink.
drink.
Yeah, no, I was thinking of that. How drink you like to drink is
I
not
want
here.
this first. No, I want to try this social. What do you think?
Yeah, let's go.
How are you, my dear?
Here, man. Let me get this one.
This side?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yes. Sorry. What's
I
this?
want this side. What's this?
Just one meat pie and one. How much is this? 10
When there is this in there, I saw it was 8,000 something.
So this one's good.
Yeah, but that place we saw, it was 8,000 on that cabinet. Maybe I should change the price.
Very nice. This for the inside. Thank you. Yeah, no, good. One banana, huh?
Yeah, one banana, thank you. I saw she a customer. Babe, would this thing be able to close?
Very nice. How's the malted? Yeah. It's good.
Yeah, I would like it, thank you. I took cookies and cream and the whiskey. I like. Okay, what toppings do I have?
I usually just like chocolate, these drops.
That's this white chocolate?
Yeah, like the brown one.
Black one? This round?
That one is nice too.
Alright, so.
And then maybe something like coconut. No, coconut shavings is sometimes too much.
No? Coconut shaving. Yeah. How much is your brownie? Wow.
Damn. So that's okay.
Yeah, I think okay. Chocolate, ice cream craving satisfied by the moon.
And this was opened up for you.
I know, right?
Am I a bad boyfriend?
No, you're not. You're the best boyfriend. You got me ice cream and brownies already.
I love you both.
I love you.